Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find a DocuSign document. All right, first up, if you were the sender or you were the signer, you will be able to find all of your documents by just logging into your DocuSign account. Then go ahead over to the top, click on Agreements, okay? And here in this section, could be on Inbox, Sent, Completed, okay? Or even Action Required. Now, if you don't have a DocuSign account and you have received a DocuSign email that needs your signature, well, all you have to do is just click on View Completed Document, okay? Now, if you're hesitant to click on these particular buttons or using these security codes, we have a video on the channel that teaches you how to verify a legitimate DocuSign email, okay? So first up, in here, if you don't have an account, just click on View Completed Document and it will ask you to create your account. It's pretty simple. Just go to create one. And again, you'll be able to see it under the Agreements tab. Okay. If you don't want to use this button, go ahead and use the security code right here. Just go ahead and open up DocuSign.com, hit on enter, wait for the website to load. And once it loads, go to the top, click on Access Documents right here, paste the code, and then hit on continue. And after that, just go ahead and create your account to access the document. Okay. That's basically how you do it. That's how you find a DocuSign document. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.